Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to monitor and manage your WordPress site's activity log using Ultimate Security. The activity log feature keeps track of everything happening on your website. This is helpful for website owners who want to catch unauthorized changes early or figure out what caused an error. Before we begin, please make sure you have the Ultimate Security plugin already installed on your WordPress. We start here on the Ultimate Security dashboard. To access our logs, let's click on Activity Log in the top menu bar. This opens the main Activity Logs area. At first, you can see we have three sections here: Dashboard, All Logs, and Security Incidents. Right now, we are looking at the Dashboard tab, which gives us a quick overview of our site. On the left, we can see summary cards showing the total number of events, high-severity events, unique users, and failed logins. Next to that, a chart breaks down events by severity, like high, medium, and low. In the middle, the top event types list shows common actions. On the right, the Recent Critical Events section lists the most urgent issues that need your attention. You can also change the time period from the last 7 days to view all time or just the current month. To see how this log updates in real time, let's look at what happens during a security event. We will log out of the site and head over to the standard WordPress login screen. We type in the username and intentionally enter an incorrect password, then click Login. The system blocks the attempt and shows an error message. Let's try it a second time with the correct credentials and click Login. Now, we are back in our account, and let's see how Ultimate Security captured these events. For that, go to the Activity Log dashboard once again. Look at the dashboard overview. We can see our total events and failed logins numbers have gone up. In the top event card, the login events have also been recorded. Now let's scroll down to the activity trend chart. We can see a visual breakdown of our daily activity. Hovering over the bars shows us the number of events recorded on each specific day. Next, let's look at the data by clicking on the All Logs tab at the top. This section displays a detailed table of every recorded action. To help you find specific entries, we can filter our view by timeframes. We can also filter by severity levels. If we choose critical, the table updates to show only critical events. If we choose high, we see high severity issues. Changing it to medium displays moderate events like failed logins. We can also filter by specific sources, such as general activity and authentication events like logins and more. On the right, there is a search bar where you can type in specific events, messages, or IP addresses to find exact matching entries. If you need to refresh the log data, simply click the refresh button. You can also click the Export CSV button to download a copy of these logs. We can see columns for the log ID, the source category, severity level, the date, the specific user, their IP address, browser, platform, device, the object affected, and the specific event type. If we scroll down to the bottom of the table, we can change the number of items displayed per page. We can also use the pagination arrows to click through different pages of our logs. In the bottom right corner, there is a Clear All Logs link. Clicking this opens a warning pop-up letting you know this action will permanently delete all activity logs and cannot be undone. Finally, let's click on the Security Incidents tab at the top. This dedicated area focuses only on real security threats. You will see the total number of active incidents: critical, high, and medium. This dedicated area filters out normal activity to show you security threats that require immediate action. You can filter these incidents by status, and you can also filter by severity. Also use bulk actions to apply changes to multiple items at once, or use the search bar to find specific entries. As we can see, our site has no incidents. If an incident was detected, it would be shown here. At the bottom, a helpful guide explains common security incident types so you know exactly what to look out for. So, in this, we explored the Ultimate Security activity log, tracked failed login attempts, and used advanced filters to sort through detailed event data. By monitoring these logs regularly, you can keep your WordPress website safe, transparent, and under your full control. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.